That's in the air, opportunity here, and he's gone. Again, a shot, trying to be a...
In the air and straight to the fielder. An event soon cutting one straight to point.
So disappointing for with class and elegance. And then a little slightly round arm, back of a length, quicker delivery. A delivery that should have been put.
Tucked away off his legs. And Nichols does well. Oh, this could be a run out. This could be a run out, and it is. A that has his head down because of utter confusion in the middle.
This is a massive moment in this test match. Has real issues running between the wickets. That was a nice shot. They ran hard, that part of it. The first two were excellent. Imam, if anything, is ball watching. He called yes and then just sold his mate up the river. And then he has massive. Babar Azam run out for 24, 99.